Hola queridos, assalamu alaikum, my name is Sumaya and welcome to Marathi Taste. This week Ramadan is starting, a holy month for Muslims in which we're only allowed to eat and drink from sunset until sunrise. So from sunrise until sunset, we're not allowed to eat nor drink, not even water. So imagine how important it is that we get the right amount of vitamins and proteins. So for me, the most important dish is the Moroccan soup Harira. And I will make it today the traditional way with meat, but you can also leave the meat out. It will taste delicious as well. I really hope you'll like it, and yeah, let's start. I really hope you enjoyed my video and will try this recipe out yourself. And if you have any question regarding the Ramadan, about what it is and how it works, I'm happy to answer all your questions. Just send me a private message or leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Bye! See you next time!